Consistent study routine, they study regularly, avoiding last-minute cramming. Time management, they plan their time effectively, balancing study with other activities. Goal setting, they set short-term and long-term academic goals. Active participation, they engage in class discussions and activities. Note-taking, they take organized and clear notes during lectures. Ask questions, they aren't afraid to ask questions to clarify doubts. Healthy lifestyle, they maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Seek feedback, they actively seek feedback on their work and use it to improve. Avoid procrastination, they prioritize tasks and avoid delaying their work. Organized environment, they keep their study area neat and free from distractions. Resourcefulness, they use a variety of resources like books, online materials, and study groups. Practice self-discipline, they stick to their study plans even when they don't feel like it. Stay motivated, they find ways to stay motivated, even during challenging times. Critical thinking, they analyze and evaluate information rather than just memorizing it. Collaborate with peers, they work well in study groups and learn from others.